So over here, you can see that I have this particular information right here regarding computer hardware. And let's say what I want to actually do is simplify this particular information right here. So over here, you can see that I have this information. Let me just copy this and then go around over here in Qwen right here. So let me just go ahead and paste this information. And let's say I want to simplify this. So I can simply say simplify this information so that a fifth grader can can understand it. So you can simply go ahead and give a prompt like this, as you can see, and then it says here's a simplified version. So it asks, what is a computer hardware? Computer hardware is all the physical parts of a computer that you can touch. These include things like the brain of the computer, memory, main board, storage, graphic card, sound card, as you can see right here. And it says it also includes things outside the computer like monitor, keyboard, mouse, and speakers. So you can see that it has what is software and how do they work together. So it has divided the information right here. So you can also see give this information to me as if you are telling a story. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, then it says once upon a time in a land filled with whirring machines and glowing screens, there lived two very important groups of characters, hardware and software together. They made the magical world of computers come to life. And this is the tale of the hardware, the tale of the software, as you can see. So it has custom tailored all of the information as if it is telling out a story to us. So that is how you can actually go ahead and then simplify out complex informations using Qwen. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.